Installing electric table legs can seem like a daunting task, but we want to show you just how easy it is to retrofit your existing tabletop with these sleek ergonomic sit-stand legs. Start by laying the cross brace frame upside down and guide the legs into the frame. Take extra care to make sure the screw holes align on the sides and use the included hex screws to secure the frame for both legs. Use the cross braces to connect the two frames together. Make sure the cutouts on the braces are facing inwards and slide them into the ends of the frames. Secure the footings to the bottom of the legs using 4 hex socket cap screws on each side. Attach the 4 levers by screwing them directly into the bottom of each footing. Attach the top supports to each side of the frame. Secure them into place using 2 hex flathead screws. Press the 10 rubber grommets included into the remaining holes on the top support. Once you have adjusted the legs to the desired width, install into the tabletop by using the 8 wood screws included and secure the frame into place by screwing in the 8 hex button cap screws underneath. Use 2 more wood screws to attach the control box between the frame and connect the cords from the legs to the control box. Place the TL-EL4 controller in the desired location under the tabletop and secure into place using 2 wood screws. Plug the Cat5 cable from the controller into the designated port on the control box and secure your cables for a nice clean look underneath. Connect the power cord, initialize the system, and you're ready to go. Press and hold up and down arrows to operate. Save desired heights to the memory by pressing M and a corresponding number. To learn more, visit Mockett.com.